Good morning, and for the first time, I believe we have clear skies in this city. It's amazing. It's a beautiful morning. Hey guys, so another pretty early morning for me. I just woke up. I'm leaving my buddy Ziggy and Wilson's house. Pretty crazy night, and I'm not exactly sure how much of the footage I'm going to be able to show you guys. But anyways, I'm going up to Vince's place on the Red Lake Indian Reservation today, so hopefully we'll be doing something pretty crazy. There's the new casino. One thing about the reservation, guys, when you get on it, is weird. There's frickin' dogs everywhere. I don't know why, but there's like packs, like herds of dogs, and it's just something you don't see normally. It's really weird. Hey, Tuckle. Vince's little puppy.
Cloudy, a low of 6 above.
Yeehaw!
Cloudy tomorrow night. Tomorrow high 14. Tomorrow night low 3 above. Monday and Monday night mostly cloudy.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these propane tanks right here and those road flares right there. Attach the road flare to the propane tanks.
We've never done this before. We've seen it on a movie.
We've seen it on a movie. Light the road flare, and then go way the hell back there and shoot it and see if it blows up.
It's gonna blow up, I guarantee it. Gas with flame equals explosion.
Okay, so the road flare is going. He's got the gun. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was pretty sweet, dude.
Was that fucking bad or what?
That was sweet. Alright, round 2. We got another one over there. Did you? Miss. Reshoot. What the hell happened?
That was fucking bad.
What the hell happened there? And that's what's left of the can. Little target practice.
Ready?
Yeah. Just having a little fun in the North Country.
Like all the snow loose on top.
This is... Oh shit! Oh god! Oh my god! Here we are. Vince drove me down to the Red Lake here. Biggest lake in Minnesota, not including Lake Superior, which is just on the border of Minnesota.
One of the largest freshwater lakes in fucking Mexico.
Yeah, one of the largest freshwater lakes we got. And it's got a thin layer of ice over it.
Which pisses me off because now I'm wrong.
Hey guys, so we're about ready to go to the hockey game that I mentioned yesterday. Anyways, Brandon over here, he's got the sieve hand. And it's, what we do is every time we score a goal on the goalie, it's a sieve because the puck gets through the goal. That's why it's called a sieve. And he has the sieve hand. And we go sieve, sieve, sieve. Anyways, I man the flag wherever the flag is. I don't know where the flag is. Here's the flag. This is what I man during the game.
Hold it up.
Me and Brandon here are the #1 fans.
Hello, Governor. How do you do? Goo goo gaga? Hey, today's National Baby Day. Actually, I guess what they're calling it is National Communicate with Your Baby Day. So make sure, all you guys out there that got little babies, little mini-me's, make sure you're communicating with them. Also, today is Bathtub Party Day, so why don't you guys pop the champagne and go get the bubble bath going. And now, as everyone knows, the season of Santa is upon us. But the question is, what do you call it? Merry Christmas? Happy Holidays? Feliz Navidad? Fruit Weihnachten? Merry Kalikimaka? No. Who cares? I believe it's just a time to lighten up. Enjoy the gifts and the food and the people that you're with. Really? Just have a happy whatever. On this day, in 1945, the Bermuda Triangle allegedly swallowed 5 bomber planes with 14 men inside of them. At about 2 in the afternoon, the men called shortly after takeoff and told the guys that they were not sure of their location. Soon after, they vanished, and no one has ever heard of them since. Do you guys believe in the Bermuda Triangle mystery? I think it's a joke. I want to thank everyone for their submissions for the hookah name contest thing. I'm going to narrow it down to 3 names right now. Number 1, Blitzen. 2, Old Smoky. 3, Space Ghost. Top 3 right there. I'm gonna pick. We're still deciding, so give it some time. But there's a top 3 for you guys. Anyways, keep the lake thing going. The lakes they're starting to freeze up. All the small lakes around here are completely frozen, but that big one's still got a ways to go. So keep this guesses coming. Peace. Live from Vince's house in Red Lake. I'll say see you guys later. Have a good night. Coming at you live from the North Country.